Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a virtualization software which we use for installing another operating systems in our host operating system by creating a virtual PC. I have already created a video about this, and the link is in the description below. Let's get started. First, we will need to download VirtualBox. We can download it from its website. I have given you link in the description below. VirtualBox is a free software and we can download it for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc. Download it according to your operating system. I'm going to download it for Windows. Click on it. After downloading, go to the downloaded location. To run the virtual machines in our system, we need to enable the virtualization technology in our BIOS. Let me show you how to do it. We will need to restart our system to go in the BIOS settings. The moment systems reboot, we will need to press our BIOS key continuously. Every system has its BIOS key, as you can see on the screen. In the BIOS settings, go to System Configuration. Here, we can see virtualization technology. Enable it. Then, press F10 and hit enter to save the changes. System will reboot automatically. Now, run the VirtualBox setup. On Setup Wizard, click Next. Again, Next. Leave it default. Click on Next. Here, it will install Virtual Network Interface. So, our network connection will reset and temporarily disconnect from the network. Click on Yes. Now, it is installing VirtualBox. Installation has been completed. Click on Finish. After that, open VirtualBox. Now, we can create or open an existing virtual machine from here. Thank you guys for watching our video. Give us a like if you like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.